Welcome to the FTx Academy. In this training video, I'll be showing you how to utilize our dashboard messaging system. The design of your POS panels, the modules you can access, and the overall standard operating procedures of your company may vary. So if you have any questions, please refer to your store management for further information. To access your dashboard messages, first you'll need to log into the POS system. You can either utilize your keypad or your fingerprint if it has been registered. Today we're going to use our keypad, and on the right hand side of the screen you will see our messages. These messages can be created and sent down from the corporate environment, or they can be created right here on the POS itself. As you can see, I can scroll up and down to locate the different messages that I may or may not need to gather some information from. Let's go ahead and open one. As you can see here, in this particular case, I've been sent a message about manufacturer price increases. This is very beneficial to me as a cashier, as I will not be caught off guard when I go to sell a new product and notice that the price has changed. I also have the ability to send a reply. I can go ahead and acknowledge that I've received this information, and I can go ahead and hit send reply. If I needed to attach something, I can go ahead and hit choose file below, and I can browse my system and find the document or image or whatever I might feel I need to attach. In this case, I'm simply going to hit send reply. Once the reply has been sent, you will notice that there is now a number 1 next to the message, indicating that a reply has been sent. If I open this again, you will see my thank you note. If I need to print this information up, and this would be a good one to print, I can go ahead and hit the print button, and that'll allow me to print up this message so I can better mark the new products. If I need to go ahead and create my own message, all I have to do is hit the create button down below. I can enter a subject. I can enter my message here. I can decide whether or not the message is public or private. I can add an attachment, and I can send this out to all users or specific users. If I hit specific users, a list of all my users will show, and I can select the individuals or groups of people I need to send my message to. In this case, I am simply going to hit send all, and that message has now been sent to all the users of my company. And lastly, once I am done with all of my messages, I can go ahead and delete them as needed. I simply select a message, hit the delete button here. It'll ask me for a confirmation where I'll go ahead and hit yes. And that is how you can read, reply, and create your dashboard messages.